Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Ride, Lordstown Auto. So Ride has had a lot of issues. Go back and check out my other videos where we go into a little bit more in depth on what's going on. But they are going into full rate production soon, and their truck is pretty cool. Foxconn is going to be making their truck. They sold them their factory to get a massive cash infusion, so they would be okay for full rate production, and I think that's going to go pretty well. They have a lot of experience manufacturing, Foxconn does, and Lordstown does not. It's a new company, so I think they can work well together. If that synergy is able to work out, I think this is great for the stock. $5 is a bargain for this stock. There's going to be a lot of sales into fleets, a lot of trucks being sold, and this is the time to get in on the ground floor. Back here you can see it was high flying, awesome stuff happened, and then they had some bad news. Batteries, obviously an issue. The little race that they had, bit of an issue. A lot of production issues and money cash flow problems. But overall, well, as they inch closer towards production, this stock is going to go up, up, and up as they get more press. As more EVs come into the marketplace, there's going to be more competition, for sure. But, I mean, you got Ford, you got Tesla. If they ever get their Cybertruck out there, the thing would be awesome. You go EV, right? Another one that's kind of a niche EV company. A lot of EVs, a lot of big companies pumping money into EVs like crazy. So, Lordstown, I think, has a good product, and I think they definitely have a long way to go to get where they need to be, and they're well positioned to get there. If management can execute the plan that they have, I think they'll be in good shape. You can definitely see now that these buy indicators are all lining up. They're all green. So I'm going to take a look at the options this week. I might sell another stack of 10 options. Okay, if you sell one option, right, it's $100. It's 100 shares of stock, and at $5 a share, it's only $500. So I've been selling lots of 10 options for GoEV just to generate some cash flow. Last one I did was at like $5 or $4.50. I don't remember. Go back, check out my video, and I generate a lot of cash that way over the long term, and decrease the cost basis in the stock that I do have, because the stock that I do have is high. I don't remember exactly where I bought in. It was like $11 or something like that. I got put to stock. So I do have a bunch of this stock, around $11 or so, and I think it can get back there within the next year or two. My cost basis is obviously less than that since I've been selling puts against it. So yeah, that's good. Always good to reduce your cost basis, especially when you're deep in the money, or when the stock is actually below where you're at. Or the other option would be to dollar cost average in. Just buy some stock, dollar cost average down, and you can see this is kind of a floor, about $5. It's not going to go any lower than this unless it goes out of business, which there's almost no chance of right now because they're sitting on so much cash. They have so much cash from that sale to Foxconn of their factory, plus the other, I don't know, 27 million or whatever they had beforehand. So they have well over 200 million in the bank, just waiting, getting spooling up for production. Awesome company, well positioned. Go do your own research, obviously, and be sure you guys subscribe to my channel to watch these trades go off. Alright, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.